Hi, I'm Moses. Today I'll be showing you tips and tricks you could use to get your newly created Fiverr gig to Fiverr first page in search. So that's what I want to share you in this video, and I want you to make sure you watch this video to the end, so that you won't mix any tips and tricks I'll be sharing in this video. Now, before I move on, I want you to do me a quick favor by subscribing to this YouTube channel and tap the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Now, once you open your Fiverr account, now I'm on my Fiverr account, you want to create a new gig. So the gig I'll be creating today is Apple Music promotion. So that's what I'll be using in this tutorial video. So, and I'll make sure I share you everything in detail from A to Z. So now, once you open your gig, I already have some gigs I created on this account. I have 3 gigs, and one of these gigs I have over 29 others. So I will be showing you how to rank your gig to earn on Fiverr. So I want to create an Apple promotion gig. So this is what I'll be doing. The first thing you need to take note is your gig title. Apple Music promotion. Apple Music promotion. Can you just write, I will do organic. So you see right there, I will do organic Apple Music promotion, and I wrote this 2 times. I wrote this 2 times in the in the gig title. So here, what I wrote twice is the Apple Music promotion. I will do organic Apple Music promotion, Apple Music promotion. I wrote that twice. So I'm ranking this gig with the keyword. That's what I want you to focus on, the keyword. Now we move to the next step, which is the category. Here I'll be choosing digital marketing, music promotion, and the service type, you can just write organic promotion. So now I need to choose the platform I support: Spotify, Apple, iTunes, SoundCloud. You can choose YouTube. YouTube will have music genre, hip hop, EDM, rock, jazz. Countries: worldwide, Canada, United States, UK, and Australia. Now I want to choose the channel I'll be using for the promotion. I'll be choosing social media and digital streaming platforms. So now, what I'm going to write here are the short tags, are the keywords that I want to use to rank my gig. Focus keyword, which is Apple Music, Apple promotion, music promotion, Apple playlist, and the last could just be Apple. So I want to rank this gig now with keywords, because I've used these keywords here already. Apple Music promotion, which I'm repeating down here. The reason why I can't write this long tags is that the minimum, or let me say the maximum keywords you could use here is 21, and if I use Apple Music promotion, this is more than 21 tags. So I mean, what I'm talking about tags, I mean the 21 letter. So the maximum keywords you could use should be 21 letter. So if I want to save and continue, it will say, it will complain that tag list cannot contain tags with more than 20. Yeah, this is 20 rather. So that's why I just use Apple lastly and save and continue. But nothing to worry about since we have this written in our gig title already. So we need to move on. Now here we're going to write our packages. You can just repeat this: basic, standard, premium. Now what are we going to be doing in these packages? Yeah, so I want to be posting in these packages. I want to be posting on social media, so I can just write organic Apple Music promotion to 20,000 audience via social. So via social media, and I can just play for 7 days. So I'll be posting this video, the music rather. I'll be posting it for 7 days, so I can just repeat the same description here and just increase the numbers. So this will be 50,000. I can just make this 90,000. Now I'll be posting this for 15 days and this for 30 days. Now you need to choose your delivery days. So 30 days, I can just make it 30 days, 4 days, 5 days. So you could see, don't be confused here, because there I write 7 days and here I write 15 days and here I wrote 30 days. So you don't need to be confused, because you can just tell your buyers that once you deliver this order, at your end you will continue the promotion. And you show them a proof that you are continuing, that the promotion is in progress. So you have nothing to worry about and you don't need to be confused. So now the next thing now to choose, there are some options here. We can also choose that the number of tracks. The basic, we can just choose one. If you know we are promoting just only one track for our packages. Content creation, you can pick that, tick that, and usual numbers of shares. Numbers of social shares, I mean the number of social media will be sharing the music. You can just write that there, maybe 2, 4, 6. So now blog posting, if this is going to be included in our packages, if we are to be posting, maybe we are going to be posting on blogs, then we can tick that too. But make sure your premium package is more full, involved many things more than your basic and standard. So in artist interview, you don't need that. I mean, if you know how to do that, like if you are doing that, and if that's what you do, you can also tick that. Now the number of revisions, and you might choose maybe 3. The number of times that buyers could revise order, 3. Now the price, you can just make this price lower. Yeah, because since this is a new gig and you have no reviews, so this is my advice to you. You need to lower your gig price, because if you go to Fiverr search and you search for gigs, you'll see that there are thousands of people who have thousands of reviews and their gig package is even starting at $5. You see that very well on Fiverr. So we have a lot of competitors, so you need to attract people clicking on your gigs. Sometimes with the price, you need to reduce your price. So maybe after you've gotten maybe your first 20 orders, you've getting more orders on Fiverr, then you could be increasing your gig packages. Now The next thing is we need to choose extra files. This is very much important in upsellings, so this could will increase your revenue. So you just click on 1 day and you can just write $5 there. The standard package 1 day, 1 day, 1 day. Now $10 and the premium 20. You can choose this additional track. Maybe the person have an additional track he or she wanted to promote, then for an extra $10 you can select additional days or leave it, just leave it. Now there are more options you could add if you want that to be included in your gig. Now the gig extra is very much important also to increase your revenue, and this could just be US traffic, or you can just write US audience. Now in the description, that's the title description. I'll promote your Apple Music reaching out to 30k US audience. Now the package could just be $40, and then the second package, there are a lot of things you could write there. You could write maybe like, you could add maybe like promoting your video via ads, ads promotion, and you can also write maybe like longer promotion, maybe like promoting your videos for another 30 days. So there are a lot of things you could add there, or you can also choose another audience, maybe like UK audience, and the description, I'll promote you. I can just copy this and change the country. So that's all. Now the price also $40. You can add additional days, and we can leave it that way. Now save and continue. We're done with our pricing. Now the descriptions. Now we need to write our own descriptions, because the reason why I said we need to write description now is that when you're duplicating someone else's gigs, though you might not be having issue, but someday is going to be coming that your gig might got flagged, and Fiverr will remove your gig in search. So stop duplicating someone else's gig. This is you could see I've been creating this gig starting from the overview, pricing, and description, and I'm creating it offhand. So you need to create your gig description offhand. But what you can use is that when you go to Fiverr site, you can just get ideas. Yes, this is what you can just get ideas from your competitors' gig. Like when I write Shopify promotions, now let me just search Apple Music promotion that we are creating. You can just get ideas on how you can create your gig description. So you're looking at this gig, you can just get ideas like you need to add your keyword first, few details about you, now the benefit of your service, what you'll be rendering, and below few words below. So this is how you can just get few ideas from your competitors gig. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm going to write a gig description myself, but for the tutorial of this video I'm going to skip these steps and show you all what is written in the description later. So I'm going to skip these steps, so I don't want this video to be much longer. So that's it. So now I'll be using some of the gigs are designed already, so you can add 3 images and you can also add 1 image. So let's save and continue. Now I'm going to publish my gig. So I've already run a test on Fiverr, cause some Fiverr is adding a test to gigs before you publish. So now I've published my gig, so I just need to go and search if this gig is active now. So now coming to the gig search, so the gig I created just now, so now the gig is active. So once the gig is active, you go to Fiverr search and search for your gig Apple Music promotion. You'll see the gig at the first page. Now I want you to take note. You need to create this gig on a newly created Fiverr account. Don't use your old Fiverr account. So make sure you created this gig on a new Fiverr account. Maybe the gig the account you just opened maybe today, or maybe just 1 week ago. So if you open this gig and you created this gig on your old Fiverr account, maybe the Fiverr something like this. As you can see, this account I've been using this account for a while now. So you see, I've been using this account for a while. So if I want to create this gig and make it rank to the first page, I can't use this account anymore. So I'm just using this for a tutorial video. So if you want to make sure this gig rank to the first page, create the gig on a newly created Fiverr account. Use a new Fiverr account. So that's it. But if you use your old Fiverr account, the gig won't get to the first page. Take note of that. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you find it helpful. I want you to give this video a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button to subscribe, tap the bell icon to get notification each time I upload a new video. And if you want, maybe you have a new topic you want me to cover in my videos, so I want you to write it down in the comment section so I could add it to my video list. Thanks for watching. See you next time.